he's coming off. You know, if he's looking straight ahead, he'll usually look at you first. He will usually go like this. And then he'll go like this. He'll go. I'm gonna come this way. Okay, he will usually do that. If the horse is looking straight ahead, you're pretty good shape, but he's reading you still. But that's all a horse does, is it reads body language. And so he's reading your body language, and you're trying to read his, and you're doing a good job. At least he's keeping on going. So go ahead and let's get him on out there again. Why don't you take him by the halter and lead him out to the grass? Yeah. Tam?
You want Shamrock out there?
Yeah. Good, good, good. Now I want you to back off of him and let him do the walking, but keep your stick between the two of y'all. Keep it between you. There you go. There you go. Now you're talking. I'm gonna let you work this out. Good, good. More energy. More energy in the front. That's good, good. Walk, walk, walk. Good, good, good. More energy. There you go. Get him over. That's right, that's right. There you go, there you go. Now you're leading him a little bit. Push it on his shoulder. His shoulder's the one that's going to go out. There you go. There you go. See, now you got him to go that way instead of on this side of those orange things. So that was good. Very good. So you want to do that towards his shoulder. The little squiggly things.
Thank you, Christy.
You're welcome. Thank you. It was fun.
It was fun.
Yeah.
See you Wednesday.